Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
What happened last time will not happen this time. We will take quick decisions. As soon as the results are out, we will call the meeting of the legislature party. We will elect our leader and we will go and stake our claim in front of the governor. So there should not be any delay and then there will be no confusion. I think people have seen through what BJP has done in the last 5 years. So even nobody will want to go and be associated with BJP. Nobody who has fought this election will want to be associated with BJP, and I am sure of that. These people who are creating a lot of trouble for us within the party are no more there in the party. Our party has been cleaned up. We have given new people, fresh people, young people, and I don't see those problems happening. So there will absolutely be no problem concerning the election of the CLP leader. It will be done in 1 minute. We will convene, and within 1 minute, the CLP leader will be elected without any confusion. Mr. K.C. Venugopal, he wants to meet him, and Mr. K.C. Venugopal also told me that Mr. Michael is coming, and I said, yeah, you should meet him. So he went and officially met him. There is no secrecy, there is no identity. And after joining the Congress, I think he was totally busy in Goa. So I think he also wanted to go and appraise the situation to Mr. Venugopal. And he has done that, so there is nothing wrong with that. All those are all political parties. Let them also take their own decisions, and let them also decide, what they want to do. But one thing is, they all are anti-BJP. That is very clear. What decision they are going to take, because they have a leadership there. Aam Aadmi Party has got a leadership in Delhi. Trinamool Congress has got a leadership in West Bengal. So it is a party decision which they have to take. But one thing is very sure is that they are completely anti-BJP in terms of their campaign. They have been totally against them. So we have to see what they will do. MGP, of course, is a regional party, and MGP has been in touch with us even before the election. And they are in touch with us even now. And we will be talking to MGP. And we will have no problem if MGP is going to be with us. We will be ready to welcome MGP to work along. Whether we get a majority, not get a majority, that's not the issue. If they want to be a part of us, we will be welcoming them.